Well, hey guys, I'm on the Allure of the Seas and I'm fixing to take you on a video walking tour of cabin 14140. This is on deck 14. It's on the left or the port side forward. So let's go in and take a look. Well, I'm going to walk in and spin around, and then we'll go back to the front of the room and start with the bathroom and work our way back. As you can see, this layout on this room, the bed is up to the front of the room closest to the bathroom, where our sofa is over closer to the balcony. But we'll get more to that here in just a minute. So let's walk up to the front of the room. Okay, we'll look right here. Here's your thermostat control. Here's your master switch. And here's where you turn your lights in your cabin on and off. There's your light for your bathroom. Now let's take a look. Let's just start with the shower. You can see everybody asks about this. What do they have? Well, they call that hair and body wash. So it's a combination. It is a handheld shower. It's got a couple of hooks up there. And it has the sliding door instead of the shower curtain. A lot of people hate that shower curtain, but this one does have the door. Let's look inside. You can see there's a cabinet right here. Got some extra supplies. There's the commode. There's a little shelf, put stuff in, a couple of glasses. Here's the towels. Pretty much a standard cruise ship bathroom, nothing special, but it'll definitely do for the week. All right, let's walk around here and we'll look at the closet. Let's just open up this door here. See, it's got a shelf up top. It's got plenty of hangers, and there you can lower that if you got some shorter items you need to hang. All right, opening up the other side, you got more hangers. Looks like we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, and you have a safe. Okay, moving down, here's the bed. They call that a king size, or it can be two twins that's pulled apart and the nightstand's put in the middle. I don't know that it's a full king. I call it a cruise king because I don't think it's quite as big as a full king, but it is what it is. You have a light that you can turn on and off on each side of the bed. There's the switches right here that you can turn all the lights in the room off laying in the bed. Looking back, you actually have a shelf and some hooks. Down there in that shelf, that's some things you hang on the door so they'll bring you breakfast in the morning. Let's look at the nightstand. First, we got a TV here, and this TV, it will swivel so you can see it from the bed. Underneath, you got a cooler or mini fridge. We got 3 drawers. Top drawer, we got a hair dryer, and we got a chair. There's the vanity light. You got a switch right down here that you can turn it on. Now, here's what everybody asks about. It's got 3 110 plugs. I don't even see any USB plugs. And on this side, we have our sofa. Well guys, I know this is why you came. You want to see the balcony. But before I go out on the balcony, I'm going to quickly open these curtains and show you what it actually looks like from the room with the curtains open. Well, that kind of gives you an idea right there what it looks like with the curtains open. What's nice about this cabin, the sofa is right here beside the balcony, so you can actually sit on the sofa and look out the window, see the ocean without even going out if it's cold or rainy, so you can sit right here. Well, let's go out on the balcony and I'll let you take a look and see what it looks like. Okay, on our way out, I want to point out a couple of things. Right here to the left of the door is a switch that turns your outside light on, so if you need light on your balcony. And right here, this little switch right here, if you got kids, that's a child safety lock. So if you got kids, you can lock it right there and keep them in the room. Okay, the way this opens, you just lift this up. This is a sliding door. I'm gonna step out here. I'm gonna get in the corner and kind of let you see what it looks like. All right, looking back, it's got 2 chairs and a table. This is actually a pretty deep balcony. Actually, it's pretty big for just a standard balcony room. All right, let's look over the edge. The yellow down there will say I'm on deck 14, so that's the lifeboats. Let's look towards the front. Say this cabin is the front. You can see right there, that's the bridge where the captain steers the vessel. This looks like a good time to throw in some video clips what it looks out here early in the morning and after it gets dark, so take a look. Here we are out here real early in the morning, somewhere between 6:30 and 7 a.m. The sun's just starting to come up. Here we are about 7:15, the sun's up. Rainy night on the cruise ship. Thought I'd show you what it looks like. Here's a shot. It's a little bit choppier right here. My favorite things to do in a balcony cabin is have breakfast out here. You've got some little blue cards in the room. You get free continental breakfast. Just hang the little card on the door and they'll bring you some coffee, juice, pastries, whatever you like, right to your room. You can sit right out here and enjoy it. One more thing I'd like to point out is this cabin, as you can see the balcony, it actually has a glass wall, so you can actually sit in a chair and you can see the ocean. Most people can't see over that balcony. I'm 6 foot tall and I can't sit in the chair. I can see over it, but not right down. But it does have a glass wall, so you can see through it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of cabin 14140 on the Allure of the Seas. If I could change one thing about this cabin, these chairs on the balcony, they don't recline. I wish they had one of them that reclines, but that's not a deal breaker. But other than that, hey, this has been a really good cabin. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos here on the end screen coming up. Until next time, happy cruising.